So today we're here at my cabinet shop, and sometimes when we do steps at the job site, we use a piece of wood to find the angles, but we wanted to get a jig that comes with your instructions, with all the nuts and threads that you're gonna put it together with. And this is a nicer jig instead of throwing it away all the time to find your steps, the angles and everything. The nice thing about this jig also, it comes with a really nice bag that you put it in so you don't lose it all the time. So we're gonna show you how to use this. It has two holes that align together, and we got this screw. It has some little plastic washers that go underneath. So like that, you screw it in, bolt it on. Then the other one just pops in here, like that. Now before we go to our stairs, we just gonna double check that we got the dimension that we need. Stuff is never square, so that's all it is. You basically put it straight here, tie all of these together.
And if you have to loosen it up, you can loosen it up so you could fit the corners. And
So
these
this,
are the
once
corners.
you screw it in and you find your angle, this jig, you trace it into your piece of cardboard or whatever you want, or shorter. So let's bring it here. And this one is like at 87 degrees, 88. So once you have this, you can grab a piece of cardboard like this. You mark it, your ends, your angles. See, it's right in place. We're all good to do the real steps, and then we just check like that each of them.